reba uyu promi niwe watsinze. Then hise yavuze ngo isa camera, nubwo atavuze correct the camera ubwoko bwose, ariko urumva ko yari muri sans ya rero agasore. Rero you're the winner, waratsinze kuri Snapchat. Rero abantu bayitoye, rero abantu batoye the correct answer, correct guess, no kuri TikTok no kuri Snapchat twari WhatsApp, they didn't even like react, and yeah babumva ko utirisira abantu sinzi like you guys ko yaje abantu ibintu mwanagezaga narumwe.
When I don't know what is real, when I can't see the horizon before me, I will look up, raise my hands to the heavens, my hope and my refuge. I remember with hands held high that I was.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Sorry, it's another day. I'm going to work. Yeah, I'm getting used to waking up early, thank God. And yeah, my eyes have been doing good. I hate when my eyes, oh no, I hate when my eyes are red. So yeah, let's wake up. The fog this side is crazy. I don't know what happened to my hand. So let's go.
I know you're crazy, so underrated. You want to
Call them in July. Okay.
the second time it was just a crush. Knew too much, but I didn't know what you're thinking though.
Guys, I don't like to gucana itara because amaso yanjye asigaye yicwa n'urumuri, so I'm preferring lay my bed just kumanywa y'ihangu. So let's lay our bed. Okay. So guys, good morning. I'm just waking up, and yeah, the rain has been raining crazy and has been stopping me to go to work. Now I'm just standing up. So So rero let me try to find you where to put you guys and to talk to you. Asinita akatangira azamutse. Problems arises. As I have been telling you, avuga mu Kinyarwanda. Nko mubizi, before you call this camera Kyle, okay, nko nyine mubizi nk'ibisanzwe, I do giveaways. Iyo oh my goodness. Iyo like mfite giveaway, okay? So iyo kamera nko mubizi narabwiye ko like nzatangaza aba giveaways, nzatanga $10. So kugira ngo abantu bose like all the platforms feel involved, nyine abantu baho babone ko nyine like I do care. Abantu babitoye first of all nabo kuri Snapchat no kuri TikTok. Yeah. Instagram ntabwo babitoye wapi. Cheza kuri Instagram hanyuma you guys are the best, murarenze pe ibintu mwanagezaga narume. So yara kuri WhatsApp they didn't even like react, and yeah. Babumva ko utirisira abantu sinzi like you guys ko yaje abantu bawe cyaba ari close babumva ko ibintu ukora tabe birisira. Genda mama muzamubura amahirwe just from nowhere. Kandi komereza story. Rero abantu bayitoye rero abantu batoye the correct answer, correct guess no kuri TikTok no kuri Snapchat. Snapchat twarala agasaro kandebe neze mba ntibeshye. Yitwa umuntu wahisemo neza, wahisemo the correct answer, wagesinze correct ni uyu nguyu. You see her? Dere nguyu. I'll make sure that I pin her here kugira ngo mufollowing nawe muri kumva. Yitwa Lala Agasaro. Lala Agasaro, thank you for guessing right. You are the best. Yahise yavuze ngo isa camera. Nubwo atavuze correct the camera ubwoko bwose ariko urumva ko yari muri sense. Yeah. Lala Agasaro rero, you're the winner. Waratsinze kuri Snapchat. Your giveaway is heading up to your account. Nagusabye kuza kumpereza nazo zawe, and I think ko yabikoze ya subscribinze kuri YouTube. Man, that like this is the energy I love, kuri platforms also keeping up with me. You're the best. Yeah. Arambaza which details exactly kamubwire Momo or Pink. Momo, kamubwire Momo yo kugira ngo nze kuyamwoherezaho. Yeah. So Lala Agasaro warakoze kugisinga right. Nabizi kuza kuri no video. Ewana, you're the best. And ma give acyari kuza mukomeze mu like keep up with me everywhere kuko ngiye buri mu gitondo ko mbyutse mba mfite kandi gashyashya muri kumva. So rero kugira uta missing out. Follow kuri Instagram, kuri Snapchat, kuri YouTube channel ni subscribing, kuri TikTok ahantu hose ko ariho ari hane umva keep up with me there. Undi rero no kuri TikTok nawe kanze murebe. Yeah. TikTok yanjye nayo reka murebe. Nawe ni umukobwa, n'umuhungu. Then give the na postinzeho. Rero tugiye kureba umuntu wahisemo neza. Sibyo? Dore ng'abantu mu comment yabo bose, so tugiye kureba umuntu wahisemo bwa commentinze bwa mbere kugira ngo tubari we duhitamo. Sibyo? Okay, wambaye avuze ngo kamera gimbal wapi, undi DJI wapi, undi DJI camera, undi hate cards, undi Canon 360, undi avuga 360 ya new phone, mwakuzinga GoPro. Aha, reba uyu Promi niwe watsinze. Dore n'umuhungu sinzi wariwe. Dore ngo uyu Promi niba uri ku video, ndamwandikire umeze details zawe, umeze gishwa Ndamubwira ko ndashaka kurenga ahantu hose kuri Instagram, kuri TikTok, kuri everywhere. Yeah. So Promi rero niwe wahisemo neza and aze nkwandikira. Ngiye ngo hello, you are the winner. Kindly make sure that you follow my Instagram. Karire, guys, nshaka kwitwa izina rimwe ahantu hose kugira ngo bajye ibyorera abantu ko reaching out to me. What do you think? Mumfashe guhitamo izina rimwe nshaka kuziyita. Kandi combine amazina yanjye yombi, nukuri mumfashe umuzabimfashamo cyane, umva akamfasha kuhitamo nawe ni giveaway. Karire, YouTube Benitha.K, Snapchat nitwa Benitha. Benitha. Yes, hano ubundi share me your momo. Yeah, then go you Promi, you're the winner. Ndamwandika ahangaha kuko se Promi ni umuhungu. Tekwa umuhungu cyangwa umukobwa sinzi neza, ubwo naza kubona message araza kunsubiza. Yeah, simuri kubona dore nabangaba ba winners kuri Snapchat yanjye naho umva wo kuri Snap rwose umva bari umva on top wese nayibona nansubiza direct. Abantu kuri Snapchat banjye ni kuri guys umva much respect murarenze. So rero ngaya ama message y'abantu banyandikiye, rero nabonye narebye uwa mbere wikwisemo yavuze kamera Raragasaro Promi navuga ngo it's a GoPro, umva nawe yari muri nose. So rero guys, thank you for guessing right. I hope ko the giveaway rabashimisha, and nawe ni utayihisemo neza, make sure you keep up with me every day like kuma social medias yanjye, especially kuri Snapchat for Benitha, Instagram following nitwa Karire, TikTok yanjye following nitwa Beni. Muri kumva Karire umva. Hanyuma ikindi giveaway ubutaha mumfashe kwitwa izina rimwe ngomba gushyira kuri nuzanyeri ndanga kugira ngo you guys bijye biborohera kureaching out. So rero reka nikira ngana na video ndabona ngiye kuba ndende, umunsi z'abandende zagira almost izaba ifite iminota myinshi ariko nange zinga iminota 15 16 gutyo. So rero reka nikira ahangaha and nshimira abantu bose bahisemo neza namutarahisemo neza. You're the next giveaway winner. Don't get discouraged. I'm a giveaway mention actually haraza, like it's still loading in my mind. Okay, so wait you could keep up with me everywhere kugira ngo utazajya misinga amahirwe yose, like nanga opportunities abantu dufite akazi umva. Try to make sure that you guys find opportunities for you. Hasanga muri WhatsApp channel abantu bashaka kubona like the side hustles naho umva naho ndahashyira hari these games ukina ukabona amafaranga yawe ukakina, like harimo opportunities nyinshi. Ushaka kugira side hustles, ushaka gushaka different opportunities, different areas, you guys, I got you covered. So let me stop by here and I lay my bed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, share, comment, and bye guys. So guys, I'm done dressing up. This is the outfit. Yeah, this is the outfit. It's Friday, so Friday ntabirenze ugomba kwambara bikajoya. Guys, I'm in love with this spray. So perfect. Smells so good. I recommend it a million times. So let's get going. Kwambara isaha brush no I will need to upgrade it because I cannot go without kuzikora. Abantu benshi bajya mubaza ngo yaha amavuta, nkoresha aya mavuta. Yeah, this is the one I use na brush isanzwe. So reka rero tuyikore twirukanka. I'm running late. Yeah, mbikora ni ibintu bisanzwe. I just do like this.